Probability IB questions, problem 5. In this question, Sam has two unbiased four-sided spinners. The first spinner has two black sides and two red. The other spinner has integers 1 to 4. Because there are two sides on the first spinner that are black and two that are red, we can say that these red and black are indistinguishable. I know that it's blue here, but our B stands for black. Going to say that they're indistinguishable, so when we spin that, it either lands on red or it lands on black. We can create this two-dimensional grid to be able to see things more clearly. Again, pictures are worth 1,000 words. They really show us what's going on and make solving these probability questions a lot easier. We can see in solving for A that when we put our red and our black on one side and then the other spinner that had integers 1, 2, 3, and 4, that there are two ways to get a 1. We can get a 1 and a black or a 1 and a red. Two ways to get a 2, 2 with black, 2 with red, and so on. Therefore, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 total outcomes. So we know that problem A, when it asks us how many outcomes are possible for the two spinners, it's 8. Moving on to B, part 1, it says find the probability of getting a red and a 3. Well, it's circled in green. There's only one time where we get a red and a 3. Therefore, the probability of getting a red and a 3 is equal to the number of ways getting a red and a 3 divided by our total number of outcomes. This is equal to 1 divided by 8, 1/8. Part 2 asks us to find the probability of getting a black and an even number. There are two ways to do this. We have two even numbers, 2 and 4, and two ways to get these even numbers, 2 and 4, along with a black. So it can be black and even. There are two ways. Probability of getting black and even is equal to the number of ways of getting a black and even divided by the total number of ways. This is equal to 2 divided by 8 is equal to 1/4. Part 3 asks us to find a prime number from the spinner. Well, we have two prime numbers. 2 and 3 are prime numbers that are found on our spinner with integers 1 through 4. There are two ways to get a 2 and two ways to get a 3. Therefore, there are a total of 4 ways to get a prime number from the spinner. So the probability of getting a prime number from the spinner is equal to the number of ways of getting a prime number divided by our total number of outcomes. This is equal to 4. So you can see they're circled. And we can circle all 4 of these in orange. 4 divided by 8, which is equal to 1/2.